So, are you gonna be in it or not? Are you gonna do it on your phone or not? You're not on it. I'm just recording. I'm not live.
Yeah.
I'm just recording. So I'm just getting footage. Since that don't want to work. Okay, so while he figures that out, we are doing...
I'm trying to figure it. You say you don't like how it looks.
No. Okay, babe. Well, I'm just recording. That's what I said. I don't know what you got going on, but... I was saying recording like on YouTube. The live focus, that's on your camera, but on YouTube it's not gonna look like that. Is that YouTube? No, go to YouTube. Go to, right there, right? It looked like it was right there in that box. Not that one. YouTube. That's how you do your analytics. That's how you run your business. This is how you record. That's why I say you gotta pay attention, babe. Start the show. Allow access. Okay. Now, see, you could put all these videos on there. You can go live is what I was trying to tell you. You can go live or you can record. I'm recording right now. So even if I do this, I can still edit it. If I do this, there's no edit. That's straight. You're on fucking America. That's why I said you can't cuss. It's gonna kick you off instantly. There's fucking people back there being fucking geniuses and looking at your video because you're new and you're black. There's a bitch on there like, oh, get his black ass off.
And how it work with the music playing in the background.
You can't play anything with words. It has to be instrumentals. Or if it is words, it needs to be faint. Faint meaning a whisper. Like, hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper you. That shit. But from afar. For real. Or you wouldn't get demonetized.
I'm trying to stop it. Plus
I can edit it. That's why I said I'm doing that. I just tried to tell you the difference, but you didn't listen. I said I'm recording. Live is when I do America recording. I can edit. So I can edit all of this.
Well, you just cut this part out, right?
Yeah. I'm just getting, because maybe I want to pull something from it. I don't know. This is what they do. And I need 30 minutes anyway, so why not? We only been talking for 2 minutes. Okay, so what are you looking for? I need the I'm So Tampa instrumental. I forgot I got a whole thing right here.
Let's see if he got one of the ones. Let's see if he got that time frame. He probably made that song. I'm trying to see if he got like a regular rap song or shit.
When you and your boyfriend be talking about some silly ass shit. It was supposed to be funny. Oh man, I just got some funny news. Casanova. Really, babe? They got your instrumental? How the fuck they get his instrumental? Ain't that what you was just listening to? Yeah, it is. Look. But see, you can play stuff like this.
What, in the background?
Yeah, it just can't have words. That's how I was trying to tell you the difference. You can do that, but yeah, but you need no instrumental. It's instrumental. Yeah, that's what I've been telling you. You can have instrumental. They can't say this. He ain't making no money. You can do that. He ain't got 2,000 subscribers. They can't fault us for that until you start making money.
He gotta cut that video out or something.
He can just leave that there, but he ain't gonna get paid for it. Or he gonna get copywritten, and the person that made that song gonna get all his money from that video. And he gonna be pissed because we get 1.1 million, he can get nothing. And you just did all that work for nothing for the next nigga to eat off of. You got me fucked up. Nah. I'll stick to instrumentals. Fuck you, nigga. You ain't get my part.
Another person was still made to be
because it's a beat. They didn't make the beat. They had a producer. The producer has released it to the world. Detail put me on that. GHG put me on that. That's why I can't wait till my brother come home. He gonna put me in the game with everything. When it comes to this music shit, not my YouTube. He needs to learn YouTube from me. I need to learn music from him. I learn Pro Tools from him. The studio shit from him. But I need the cooking and shit from him. Yo. I'm recording. So it don't matter. Okay. Let me turn it down some. You want this beat on here? That's a good beat? Oh, no, you do. Dang it. At least I gave you the game. Some people don't give people nothing. I give it for free. People charge. That would have been like $2 million to somebody because that's an endless amount of money. I always bless people. It's my job to help. I help the ELs. I used to always help like the disabled kids. People used to laugh at me. I ain't give a fuck. They was my friends. And them niggas was smart as fuck. Them niggas used to be in wheelchairs doing all types of stuff. But thought they were slow. Them niggas was fucking gifts. You feel me? They had talent. One girl could play the piano. Her fingers was like this. How the fuck she play the piano? Okay. So, come on, baby. Because they can't do nothing. All right. So, babe, what do we have here? What are we doing today, babe?
Pacqui, honey ghost peppers, real heat.
It's freaking what? Freaking hot. Look at the red package at the top, y'all. This is a new bag Babe found at a store. We ain't gonna tell you where. You gotta go find it yourself. You see this thing? Most of them are what color, babe?
Green.
Right, and he found the one that's a freaking hot. It's red. And it's Pacqui, honey ghost pepper, real heat. And then on the back, show the back, babe.
100% real ingredients. We're bringing the heat, and it hurts so good. Do you dare? We'll find out.
And look at the thermometer. Show the thermometer, babe. Look at that shit. You gotta put it all the way to the camera. Look at the level of heat it has on the back. All the way to the red. Right there. You see that freaking hot? It's the last one. And we're doing this. All right, babe. We're doing this with what? No water. And we're going to change the game a little bit. So we went to this place just on a... Babe was like, let's go try something different. So he's like, let's go try some Jamaican food. So we stopped in Tampa, Florida, and off of 40th, and we went to Islands Crew. Babe, tell them what they had in there for the low. They had like oxtails. They had rice, cabbage, macaroni, and hooked us up.
And they had two meat special,
yep.
$17.
And they gave us 2 different plates with cornbread on the side. Shout out to y'all. But they also let us try their hot sauce. Well, they thought it was hot for me and him, but we was like, nah, it ain't. So what they tell us to do the next day, babe?
Said they gonna make some little sauce they can make, some little hot sauce.
Personal.
As they say.
Their personal hot sauce. Right. So we went the next day around like 4 or 5 o'clock, and I was like, oh, babe, we got to go back and get the sauce. Well, he brings out his own concoction of blended peppers, whatever's in this shit. How thick did it come, babe?
A little thick. It wasn't that. It was thick.
Right.
It done got watered down now.
Right, because we done took it out the refrigerator. So what we're going to do with that sauce is we're going to add it up a notch. we're gonna take it to another level and eat a chip with their hot sauce. How many of y'all could do this? If you can, go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment. This is Tampa, Florida. We're new to the game, but we starting off fresh. So join this challenge and we'll see if you make it or not. So we're gonna try it. Whew. With no water. I don't know how this gonna go. How you think this gonna go, babe? Whew. That stuff look hot. Look at this, man. An insane amount of ghost peppers. Does it stink? Okay, so look, on the back it says certified gluten-free. It's vegan certified. No artificial flavors, no artificial ingredients, and no preservatives. All right, baby. Whew.
I think it's gonna be a breeze.
It might be hot. I don't know. I've been eating hot stuff since I was like 3. My mom said I used to drink hot sauce. What about you, baby? How long you been eating hot stuff?
Nah, ain't no trouble.
Probably since the womb. My mama said she used to eat hot stuff with me. Ooh. Smell it. It don't smell too bad.
So that's just some
Doritos?
fiery Doritos.
Like the nacho cheese with a little spice?
Yeah. It ain't smell that bad.
No. I think it smells a little
like,
undermining.
Smell like wheat thins. How Stewie said on Family Guy, wheat thins.
Oh, he says Cool Whip. Wheat thins. Whip. He don't say cool. He be like Cool Whip. And look at this shit. Look at the ingredients inside of it. Now this is, don't look at the label because it's not their label. So don't look at it. But look how thick and chunky this stuff looks. Look at that. Look how thick it is. Look, look, look. And this is homemade Jamaican island concocted personal sauce by the chefs themselves. Okay, so what we're gonna do is Babe's getting the ingredients we need to mix it together so y'all don't think we're cheating, because y'all gonna probably think we're cheating, but we're not. What y'all think about this, y'all? Once again, Tampa, Florida, 813-CC, aka Double D's, reaching out in the game, bringing Florida to the game one time, you know, positive energy, you feel me? Just trying to do something with this coronavirus. Got us in the house, so me and Babe was like, forget it, let's do YouTube. Ain't no better time. Talk crap, expose the true sauces, you feel me? So Babe got this little cute little bowl. You want to pour the damage? You want to pour the poison? Oh, you got to get it on camera. All right, because they don't think we cheated. All right, all right. Ooh, ooh. Perfect. Ooh, that gave me the chills, y'all. Yeah. Look, so y'all know we ain't lying. Look at that. All right. Now I'm gonna do it. All right. You ready? You want to hold this or no? Pick your chip first. Babe's gonna pick his chip. They gonna think we cheat. They gotta see it. There we go. He's picking his poison.
You know what?
Hey, it's our bag. He can re-dip. He's double dipping. Oh, he doing 2. Why he trying to do that to me, bro?
It would look like one whole chip.
No.
Really one whole chip. Look.
Let me see.
It's a broken chip.
No,
really
babe.
one whole chip.
Let me see.
I ain't cheating.
Okay, I know you trying to make me do like 3 chips. Hold on. I'm trying to see what's the biggest chip. Look. All right. Hold on. This is what we're finna do. I want to open the whole thing, but now I'm not because we're going to save it for later. All right. I ain't playing with babe.
What is that?
I'm smaller than he is. He's like almost 170. I'm 148. You ain't finna burn my booty hole. Right. You ready?
My body was scared to go to church.
I don't go to church. Church cutting me. No water challenge coming to you, Tampa, Florida, mixed with some Brooklyn, New York in the house. Together we finna burn. Let's go. Come on. Why you got that? Look what he did, y'all. Babe, you gotta show them. Go up close. I'm gonna show it. Go up close. Look at that. Come back. There you go. Look at this shit, y'all. He got a thick amount. Oh my God, look at it. And it drip. See? I knew it was. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It wasn't hot at all. I think I could have ate the whole bag. It was a little. It put a little razzle dazzle in your chest.
I like hot stuff anyway. But I wait for the Pacqui out 1 chip.
Ooh. I felt like it burned all the unnecessary bacteria off my tongue. It was really good though. Good flavor, good spice, good heat level. They did their thing. So listen, get your bag of chips. See if you can.
Woo!
Need some water, baby. It was a little extreme, but it's okay. It's not so bad. You can't think about it.
It's like
My lips are starting to burn.
I just ate 2 of them.
He ate 3. I'm not finna eat 3.
Ooh.
I have a uterus. I ain't had no kids yet. I gotta give my mama at least 1. No, I'm good. That was actually really good. 1 more for the door, babe.
I'm saying with you. I'm saying for both. That's what's like what?
This is my 3rd.
It was 3rd. Nah. What's the 2nd?
I ate 2.
I don't know.
You can't quit on me now.
Whatever. Y'all make sure y'all keep count. When y'all make comments, y'all keep count.
3.
Yeah.
That was 3 so far for me and him. Now he want to go to 4. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I eat that, that means we got 4 left apiece.
She cheating anyway. See all this I'm getting?
I have a uterus, he don't.
Woo!
Is it hot, baby?
A little bit.
Baby, your nose is sweating. Hold on. Don't touch your face. Do not touch your face. We should have did gloves. Don't touch your face. I ain't finna stay up all night putting a cold rag on that. I'm gonna just dump some water on your eye. Okay, I would. Is it hot, baby? My turn, he's saying. Whatever.
Right. Right.
Cheers. Let's go. I don't think I'm sweating yet. Baby, you sweating.
Huh? Yeah, I'm scooping. Yeah, I'm using the chip like a spoon. You just dipping.
Hey, who told you to pick your poison?
I don't want to hear that. You just dipping. You gotta make it exciting. You gotta taste the sauce. You can't just sit there and just keep on tasting with a little dip. You gotta at least make it to where you can wet that whole thing up. You see that?
I don't want that.
See that? Nah, there you go.
Nope, I'm Gucci.
Come on.
That's your poison.
No, you gotta get ready for that. This training.
I got it right here.
This training. You gotta get ready for that 1 chip Pacqui out. You gotta eat the whole chip.
Baby.
You gotta eat the whole chip.
No.
Yeah. Come on.
No.
It's training. Come on,
No.
champ. How the white dude used to tell Rocky in the movie?
Why he moving from me, y'all?
Yeah. How he used to tell Rocky in the movie? You're a bum, Rock. Come on, here you go. This is training. Here you go. You're a bum, Rock. Imagine this is. Listen, right now. Listen, right now. This is Rocky chasing that chicken. This is for you. This is you chasing that chicken right now.
You choked your chicken then.
Nah, here you go. You chasing the chicken here. This is Rocky chasing the chicken. Here, taste this one. You like, what?
I have a uterus.
She talking about trying the one chip challenge.
You
gotta eat the whole chip.
We're gonna do Satan's toe. We're gonna do all the hot shit.
You gotta eat the whole chip. So you might as well go ahead and wet the chip up. Let's go.
No.
Stop cheating. And guess what?
I
guarantee you that's 10 times hotter than this. 30 times,
care.
probably a million
but
times.
But it's one time. This is 15 times.
Oh.
I'm feeling dizzy. I'm Gucci.
I'm waiting for the one chip. Get done. I done calm down, baby. Yeah. I'm telling you right now. You pass out. I watch too much Walking Dead. I'm locking you in the bathroom. And I'm waiting to see if you wake up.
I'm coming up there like Thriller. Like you
Pass out,
trying to give me that chip to dip.
Talking about you getting dizzy.
I ain't even sweating yet, y'all. He got a whole
right
face.
in the bathroom.
He got a whole face full of sweat. Who's the hot one? Quit eating them all. You gotta save some for your brother. He gonna try at least one. Go do this 5-chip challenge. Go to Islands Crew if you're in Tampa, Florida, 813. In Brooklyn, what's your area code, babe?
813, what she said.
Where?
And we're about. I'm at where I'm at.
And guess what?
I be where I be.
Pacquiao, 5-chip challenge. Island Crew. Don't know the Scoville units. Check us out. Coming to you live from Tampa, Florida. What you gotta say, babe? That's it.
Peace. Everybody stay safe.